floofing out like that and trying to fly, be like a big blob of feathers. Shape-shifting parrot. I'm only joking. Only joking. Dolly, I'm only joking. Unless you go doing something weird ass, then yeah, that'll be it. I'll be like, So Dolly, did you? I know you don't want to say anything. I'll wait for you to have your little squawky talkie. Squawky talkie time. That's what we'll call it. Dolly's squawky talkie time. That's her getting ready for sleep, guys. Anyway, let's go back out a moment. So, there's Chevy. See her heckles are up a bit still? That's not like her at the back. Come in, sweetie. That's not like her. I don't know what she's just been doing out here. She's usually in a rush to get back inside once she's out. Mind you, we do have wild animals out here, possums, etc., bats, whatever. Yeah, snakes, redbacks, all those things that can kill you. We have all that shit too, but